In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Trello tasks with AI. We'll walk through how to use Trello's built-in writing assistant to draft, refine, and finalize a clear task description right inside a card. I'll guide you click by click, and along the way, I'll share practical tips to get better results from the AI without changing any of the steps. Start by opening Trello in your browser. From the homepage, head to your boards by selecting the Boards view. This takes you to a list of boards in your workspace. Open a sample board you're using for this walkthrough. Once the board loads, find the card titled Laundry and open it. This is where we'll put the AI to work shaping a useful description. Inside the card, choose Add a more detailed description to start editing. Then open the writing assistant. You'll see a prompt area where you can tell the AI what you need. Type this exact instruction. Make a subgroup for white clothes and colored clothes. Short, specific prompts like this give the AI a clear direction and usually produce more relevant output. When the response appears, review it. If it meets your needs, mark it as a good response to reinforce that quality. You can close the assistant window with the X when you want to return to the card view. If the draft misses the mark, try the retry option to generate a new version with the same prompt. If you like parts of the result, use copy to keep it on your clipboard for later. If you'd rather start fresh, select discard to remove the current suggestion and clear the space. Next, explore the refine tools within the assistant. Choose summarize writing to condense the content into something shorter and easier to scan. You'll see a generating indicator while it works. When the summary is ready, close the window with the X and go back to the previous assistant view if needed. Use the field labeled Tell Rovo what to do next to continue guiding the AI. From there, open Refine again and look for options to change tone to match your audience, whether you want it more formal, friendly, or direct. Then select Make Shorter to tighten the draft even further. When the version on screen looks right, choose Insert to place it into the description editor. Be sure to click Save so your updates stick. If you want to adjust or improve the description further, click back into Description and reopen the Writing Assistant. This time, try a few of the targeted tools. Summarize writing gives you a quick digest of longer content. Improve writing polishes clarity and flow without changing your intent. Find action items scans the text and pulls out concrete tasks, which is perfect for translating a description into a checklist later. Fix spelling and grammar cleans up typos and awkward phrasing. Brainstorm can suggest variations or related ideas if you're stuck, and change tone to lets you quickly adapt the voice of the text to fit your team or context. After each refinement, select Save to lock in the result. A few quick tips to get the most from these features. Keep your prompts specific, like the subgroup example we used. The assistant does best with clear objectives. Use retry when the structure is close but not quite right, and copy if you want to mix and match pieces. Summarize is great before meetings or handoffs, while find action items helps you turn writing into trackable work. And always finish with insert and save so your polished text is stored on the card. That's it. You've seen how to navigate to your board, open a card, prompt the writing assistant, rate and retry responses, refine tone and length, insert the output, and save your improved description, all using Trello's AI to create and enhance tasks with confidence.